Why, hello there, and welcome to the Poor Man's Cooking Show. I am your host. Well, in this case, you are. This is a first person cooking. Anyway, you're going to need rolls, burgers, cheese, and sauce. I'm using barbecue sauce. Quick and easy. Delicious, even. If you can't tell what we're cooking, it's chicken burgers. Yum yum. I've already eaten some. They were delicious. Now, I'm going to use the air fryer, but you can use your oven. And the instructions say to cook for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. We'll be back once they're cooked, or, shall I say, when it's time to cook our buns. Yum, 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 yum. So, currently, our burgers are halfway cooked, so let's get a frying pan. Ooh, yes. Look at that. And then we're going to turn on the oven. Specifically, the... I forgot what it's called. That is embarrassing. Stovetop. Hob. You know what I'm talking about.
Okay, just to pause right here. I was an utter idiot that I actually forgot that it was called a hob. That's it. It's just hob. I overcomplicated that.
That is somewhat embarrassing. Next, we're going to add some oil. Just a little bit. Then, we're going to wait for that to heat up. Cover up the pan. Yum, yum, in my tum. In this case, your tum. Now, the thing to remember, there are two ways you can cut a roll. Simply like this, and then look at that, nice, smooth, and flush. Or, now this is my favorite, you just grab it like this and rip it down the middle, so it ends up a bit squished. But it's done. Just ignore the part where it looks squished. Now, the oil is almost ready, as we are making fried rolls. Delicious. Now don't touch it, just hover your hand and you can feel the heat. If you do touch it, that's going to burn a lot. It might also be a good idea to have a plate on hand and a spatula. I used that to flip the burgers earlier. Ignore the breadcrumbs. Now, you feel like you're just about ready. Let's take our roll and pop it in. We just pop that in the oil and let it fry up. Can't hear that sizzle? It's probably because of the air fryer. It's very loud. It's almost time. The bread has soaked up some of that good, delicious oil. Now we just need to wait for it to fry. It appears we have 50 seconds until our burgers are all ready. It's almost there, I can taste it. Pat, 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 pat. Fry faster. I probably put it on a little bit too early. But who doesn't put things on early? After all, there's no recipe. Do what you like. That is all done now, and it's back that way. You don't have to turn if you don't want to. Now that is fried. Just a smidge bit of oil. Time for the bottom half of our loaf. Loaf? Now that's a much nicer sound. Let that sizzle. Got a slice of cheese. And slap that on your bun. Then we'll add our burger. Yum, 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 yum. Ouch, that was hot. That might have been a tiny bit too much oil, but we will add in our burger bun. Scooch you around. While that's frying, grab our barbecue sauce. Shake that up. Add that to our burger. And there you have it. One burger. A slice of cheese. Voila. And then for the final moments of that, we'll grab our other burger as I wander away. Flip you. Nice and crispy. Ah! I dropped the camera. I dropped you. Are you all good? That is a burning smell. We are going to take that off of the heat. Ooh, that was hot and toasty. Move that just out of the way there. Add on our barbecue sauce. I said add. There we go. And voila. Two of our very own barbecue chicken and cheeseburgers, which have been fried. You don't need to slap these. Buns. That was quick and easy, almost no takes whatsoever. I'll probably look through this. If there is anything to cut out, I will. But aside from that, like the video, subscribe if you want to continue seeing random things, and also leave a comment if I should do this again. I will try again later on in the future. It was the only way I could think of making this last long enough, because if I did it my normal way, this is like a 3-minute clip. Have a good day! Or night, depending on where you're from.